Okay, hello guys. I think hear me. Just let's analyze this market right now. Okay, Euro USG as prediction still coming down. So previously we had trades. This was our first trade leading. We could was our trade, but for re-entries, the second re-entry and the third re-entry, we planned it like that. Now what? How can we plan another entry here? How can we plan another entry here? Right now, what are the see stuck to it high, right, sideways right now, low gets broke, probably touching, low gets broke, this or this. We could have two targets from here to here, just like this like low gets broke. We have a confirmation here. This will be our first GP and this will be, but the condition is clear in front. Let's go to gold. What is gold doing? Stuck, got some levels right now. High. Two levels we got right now. 4 hour, what do we have? We have this need a confirm candle below above this to go high and a candle below. Any question guys? Keep our target as we had first day of the week target right now. Liquidity upside. This is swift upside. This market can be going up to here. That's a big target market, but go here. No entry till the end of this right now, sideways of this, long it for a while. A little. The first target would not a big, but I'm seeing it right now. It should drop because it is in sideways. It should drop. It should drop. We see a candle closing below this. It's easy. We can target this. So we target. Yeah, nice, nice. We had these two lines just like we candle upside or downside. We need a break of structure. The market was sideways. It just broke from the upside and went like crazy. Nice for a while. Guys, any questions? Because I'm talking alone right now. Like JPU is also following Euro US target right daily base. But both follow the same track, follow the same. Let's let's go to P. What do we? Hello, I am fine. Where are you? Okay. Do you want me to open your mic on stream or what? Yep. Oh, no worries. I'm just talking. We're just analyzing the market for today, right? How much time do you need to reach home? No worries, and I will analyze and you.
Yeah, if you see any potential entries, let
Yep,
me know
I have just
because
analyzed
it's tomorrow.
GBPJPY. Okay, I've just analyzed GBPJPY. I have a trade above. If break this low, you can see a possible trade.
Okay.
Okay, and now I'm seeing gold. Gold is stuck on its level. On 4 hour, there is a low where it's taking a rejection. It just took a liquidity. If we see
Yeah.
another possible, entry, a candle forming above this candle, we can, long it.
Yeah.
See it? Are you just saying?
Yes, yes, yes. I can see that.
So it is just a liquidity sweep from this low. We can possibly target this high again,
Yeah.
right? Or even this candle's high. It is 211 from 1 to 4 to 211. These are 700 pips. So
Mm-hmm.
why not? But we need a strong confirmation candle above this.
This is 1 hour chart.
4 hour chart, 4
4
hour.
hour. Okay.
See, that's why I have drawn this level that we need a confirmation above this. Then we can long it.
Yeah.
So that's good for us. After this, we can possibly long it. A good candle above this.
Okay,
The
dokie.
shorter, this is our first distance level, and then this is our next
Mm-hmm.
our first resistance. When I see what I am seeing, 4 hour, 4 hour, yeah, this is nice. Can cover a lot of pips.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gold is covered up, placed our scene, the candle. But if we see a candle below this, we're gonna short it. Simplest thing. If we see a candle below this, we see
Yeah.
another, we're gonna short it till that. That would
Yeah.
be
Till down. Yes.
4,000.
This is
4,000.
4008.
Yep,
4008 or something.
yep. That could be our next target.
Baba, Baba, market is open now, even with the gold, right? I
The
think
market is
so.
open right now. Market is open from 1 hour and 18 minutes right now.
Yeah. And it's still sideways.
And it is still, no, it is not sideways. In 5 minutes, if we
No, not
see,
sideways, but for past fucking two
yeah, it is
hours or so,
sideways. It is sideways.
from 6 o'clock.
Sorry,
Yeah.
it is sideways. But it is a good because it isn't breaking any lows right now.
Yeah.
It isn't breaking any lows. It just took liquidity, and we see a structural break from this side. We're gonna long it. That's a good
Yeah.
side to long it. Let me short it. So how was your game?
Sorry, how was my game?
Yep,
Well, I think good.
one.
Oh, the pool game, you mean? I
Uh,
was thinking you are talking about trading game.
no, no, I'm talking
Pool,
about the.
pool game. I play shit, but we have a game on Sunday, and it's a team game that we are because we won first league, and we qualifying for the highest league. And problem is you must have three players, but it's only two of us, so we immediately lose a point every match. So we need to win every single game. And I was not playing very well today, so I'm a little bit disappointed. So I don't know what to do now.
Okay.
Okay,
Gold is done. We know if gold is gonna break this low, we will short it.
we will
And
short
if
it.
if it's gonna break this 4145, we're gonna long it. Shit. Nothing
Yeah,
fancier here. We got our GBPJ trade done. If it's gonna break this, we're gonna short it. If it's gonna break this high, we're gonna long it.
yeah,
Okay?
simple.
And then you're gonna,
That'd be nice if it happened within next 1 hour or so.
or you have to sleep then.
Yeah.
BTC stuck right now, but it's still gonna fall. Taking a rejection from FEG, oh, sorry, order block it, but let what is 4 hour telling? Very nice. It just take a rejection.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a breakout failure. Nice. Euro USG still see if you see Euro USG breaking this low, short it. You can short it. If you see breakage from the downside, short it.
I was trading today only gold and one trade at Bitcoin, and I got profit like 20 euros or something, $25.
Yep. Because you were sleeping when I gave this trade. You were sleeping. 1500
Yes.
pips. You were sleeping.
Yeah.
Mark was sleeping like without a worry.
What I will do from today, I will not going to turn off my phone or the like the airplane mode.
No
That
man.
911 that 911 mode.
Don't be controversial. They're gonna ban my YouTube.
Oh yeah, that's true. Sorry, man.
Oh, no, no worries. Fuck them.
Am I
Just
live on YouTube?
yes, you're live on YouTube.
Oh my days!
You
I
are
feel like
live.
a star.
Guys, any questions? My chat doesn't ask questions. They think I'm gonna charge them for questions. They are no charging for the question, guys. You can ask anytime.
I asked so many questions to Shazi, and then I'm broke.
Yeah, shit. Don't lie.
No, 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 no. Just ask. Just ask.
Just ask. As I said, fall and it fall again. They're not a good area to sell it. Should have sold it here or from here when we see the rejection.
Yeah.
I'm just so happy.
Are you?
Yep. I will tell you after this why I was happy
Okay.
on another scene. On an gold has taken a good rejection right now. It
Gold.
can, yep. Gold has taken a good rejection till right now.
Because it's gonna be another session right now, so I think it's gonna change the game a little bit. It was dropping a lot. Now it's new session, and you know how it is. It's session games.
No, no, no. I'm talking about C. What we trade on about the structure. See,
Oh right. Okay, I
it
see.
came down from 4,322 up to what? 4,000. Sorry. 4,077. Okay.
Yeah.
And it took liquidation from that level and closed above this low. If we see a good candles above this, we can long it. Nice.
True.
Yes. We have to use our rules.
I would love to see some sort of 1K trade. You know what I mean? That'd be good.
Yeah. Yeah.
That'd be
Sure.
nice.
You're gonna see. Are gonna see. And tomorrow I will go to play.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to be, prepared for our face off.
Yeah.
I can't say that how much time and I lost.
Right. What are you marking there? What's that red line on the top?
This is strong high and a strong low on 5 minutes.
Oh right. Okay. Okay.
This is sideways market, right? Sideways.
Yes.
Market is sideways. We need a structural break on this. That's gonna happen from the downside. I'm predicting break from the downside. Even though it is on a good place, there should be a lower time frame FEG. Let us here we have that. Here we have that factory check.
Yeah.
Here this area, it's gonna fall. That's why.
That is 1 hour chart, is it? I don't see that on the
Yeah,
phone very clear.
that was a 1 hour chart. But first I went to 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart, there is an FEG.
Mm-hmm.
Let me now you could
Yeah, yeah, I can see it.
was an FEG, that's where the market was stuck here. If this FVG gets broken,
Mm.
then what we have, the market will fall again because it is moving sideways, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
So we need a confirmation below this, and we're gonna short this. Guys, if you're not gonna ask questions, I'm gonna mute my comments, to be honest. Seriously. Guys are good to those people who charge you. See, it's still falling. That's not a quite good. When I started falling, it fall off. Hey, nice.
Mm-hmm.
400, 500 pips. When I said it's gonna fall. I'm going to become a 1 minute trader. I'm gonna place my trade here to here. Just like this. I'm gonna see. It's gonna fall from here. Okay, and I'm gonna do this. Yay! How much rate? 500 pips. Fuck this.
Oh my
I'm a
days. So
trader who gives this trade. This trade. These trades. It's nice. I will become a 1 minute trader. I'm gonna see a one break of structure. I'm gonna mark it and I'm gonna say, oh yes. No one
yeah,
is like me.
enjoy. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
But you will trade what on five lots or something.
Yeah, 5 lots opening. No, I'm just making fun of those guys who.
You're a millionaire within a within 60
Uh,
seconds.
yeah, when people are gonna lose their money, they're gonna. You asked us to open that trade. I'm gonna say you must just read the disclaimer of my live stream that I am asking you to trade on demo account. That's nice. I just don't like this sideways market. You know why it is sideways? Because there is so much volume in this right now. The market
Yeah.
can't decide where it has to go. Some people say when they see this candle, they are like, there is no volume in this market. Okay, there are volume in this market. That's why the market can't decide. How are these candles made? Buyers and sellers are fighting to move the market, and it has become this candle, a,
Yeah.
a micro doji, and people say there is no volume in this. You have reached right now.
What?
You reach home?
Yes.
I knew.
I knew. Anyway, I need to mute you for a second.
Yep, go on, go on. Still drop. Nice. Goes by name. Haven't muted me right now. Or let me show you something.
Go.
Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Feeling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control.
Energy like something else. Now you eat properly, mark these. No, don't. No. Yeah. But unless, oh, then you are gonna buy my premium membership, man. Mark, like, I am your permanent customer. You know, there is in Pakistan and in India, there, there was so much import of Russian girls. Okay? So they at one time their rate was fixed on 6,000, and people used to say we need 6,000. They only have a goal to make 6,000. Just to I'm gonna, make my subscription for $1 million. Okay, man, it's worth it. Ah, man, thank you. You know my worth, man. Uh, hey, I am talking about OnlyFans. For that membership. People don't know what is happening. They just see, they are coming, they are seeing something is happening. Some random guy, just placed a trade like this and he went to sleep. Okay. And when they rejoin in the evening, what do they see? They just see this happened. Yup, 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 yup. That's why. That's the only thing. Yep. Mark, you know what? The thing changed. See, these YouTubers, those are sitting, they have linked their account with their subscribers. Okay. They're gonna open their trade from 0.05. Even they have, hundreds of thousand in their account. They are gonna open their 0.05. their chat is gonna open with 1 lot, 2 lots, 0.5 lots, 0.1 lot, and 5,000 subscribers are live at that time, and 5,000 subscribers are doing trades. If where is calculator? Just a second. I'm gonna if 5,000 people gained, okay, gained $5 per trade. Oh, sorry, $50 per trade. Even they're earning more. He is gonna get $5 from each trade from the 5,000, and he just made $25,000 just from one trade. If same scenarios, if these 5,000 lose their money, he gets $25,000 from one trade. He is earning in both ways, and he is providing these 5,000 subscriber data to one whale, and that whale comes and liquidate all of them. These 5,000 people have opened a lot of like 1,000, and that one will come with a lot of 2,000, and he liquidate all of them, and he just pays them around $25,000 to that YouTuber. He's still in profit. He just made around 50 to 1 lakh dollars in just in one day. That's how these people work. I was here, I could have, paid only doing membership streams, posting my shit everywhere. I'm just here. See, the only reason why I'm streaming is that I was, you know, working, sitting alone, working, nothing else. I was bored, getting bored a little. So I thought, let's do a stream. I am not here to teach. I will do my things. The people who are interested, they will see the results that are happening on live stream. They are gonna see that. They are gonna see what I am doing. If they can learn through what I am doing, that's best for those people. I am not telling them to, come and I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna charge you for teaching you. I'm not like that. You can see what I am doing. You can learn from the. You have to find out what I am doing. You can see, and you have to find out by yourself what I am doing. These are not small trades. These are not small trades. These are yesterday trades. One, two, three. One, two, three. Four. Sorry, four trade here. Four trade yesterday. Four in a row. So four trade you could have made money. You could have shown what I did, and all four went right. That's the only. Yeah, you are sleeping, but you know what I do. You know. That's the only thing. So we have our, clear indications right now. What is this market gonna do? Sideways, then it's gonna give a breakout, and it's gonna go like boom. See, every time when there was a sideways movement, see, this is a sideways, and boom. A sideways and a boom, sideways and a boom, sideways and a boom, sideways and a every single time. See, sideways, sideways, every time it's gonna happen. They're manipulating everyone. Liquidity and then manipulation. They're manipulating. Market sideways, market can't, make a right decision. A lot of people should long it. A lot of people, a lot of people what did they did. A lot of people from here, the market manipulated. From this part, let me show. From this part, what happened? The market something like here, the market taken liquidity. From this candle, this low wasn't broken. Market went up, but after breaking, when you this type of strong selling candle. It didn't took a rejection from this center. Man, the market gonna fall like crazy. It fall again. People place, see, this is a this is a strong candle. 200 to 230, 300 pips just for one candle. Let market the candle, and if you put it, grab this candle. This is the length of this candle. It just took one, two, three, four, five, six candle. Just come down and the one candle goes up. This was a it trapped buyers, okay, and then it dropped. It dropped crazy, and there was a liquidity swing here. That's why I'm a little bit that the market took liquidity a pretty good way. See, there was liquidity here. The market came down, taken out liquidity. It is showing pretty good. We need a candle closing above this in 2 hours. Probably because of long it. Until unless we are not in a hurry. See, a can they're not still they shut down in US. This no, that's uh, the factory. Let's go to the brief. That person. 13,000 traders are online on this page right now. GBP has a news today. CPI news. He has good news. Okay, okay, we are gonna have JPG, JPY, CPI news, and what are the predictions? What 4%? Okay, let's go to daily. Daily, what do we have right now? What do we have right? Daily, the if this, I'm saying the market is see, rejection from the top. Now, what are the scenarios? If this candle is gonna break this low, it's gonna come targeting this. This here's the FVG. Okay, the market will come up to here. If it's gonna take a rejection, how many pips are there? Around 500 pips. Okay, if it doesn't take a rejection, it's gonna come down. Down until what? Down until this. We can hold this trade. Okay. If it doesn't break this, the market gonna break from upwards and it's gonna go up, and that would be next target. 1,000 pips. Sorry, how much pips? 706. 1,300 pips. Yes. There, there are two targets. If we go to 4 hour, we're gonna see this sideways. Rejection, strong rejection. If this candle closes below this, that's everything in front of us. If this candle closes below this, the market is gonna fall. Simple. The market is gonna fall until this or this. 1 hour if we come sideways, and we see the market then breaking the highs here. 15 minutes or clear. No highs are broken. Just rejection, rejection, rejection. This there's something I'll go. Yeah, man. Combo cloth rich. Rich. Yeah. Overtime. They just gave me. Just take it, man. You are, just exhausting us working that much. They gift, and I have a premium membership of Lux Algo too for a year. Yeah, yeah, but I delete. Not that. That's something else website. I delete my history instead. Yeah, when I get frustrated, I go watch. There are other websites. These are the old one. I will give you. I will suggest you. Sideways. Right now, a clear confirmation. The line 4145. After this, we will be targeting every high. Okay. After this, we have this high. We are gonna go on break even. Then above highs, above highs. So I was talking to Mama today. Was like, man, it felt it's not gonna go up because there are so much, so much hurdle. I was like, and it felt like this too, but it went up too. Hurdle doesn't mean the market is, yeah, it will going slow, but it will initially go up, not down. And it just, and see this, keep daily. Yeah, see. A lot of people long from here too, but it didn't take liquidity. Was there a liquidity sweep here? There was not a liquidity sweep. From here, the market take liquidity, but was this enough liquidity? From this low, it take liquidity. It took a rejection from the high. The fall off was written in our books. We knew if this high wasn't broken, the market is gonna market fell. Now see this weak market taken good liquidity. It will try to go up. For this, we need this confirmation. If it doesn't fulfill our criteria, we are not gonna trade until even we are seeing it is going up because they are catching. They are catching. If they want to dump the market, they will dump. They're gonna dump it from here. Continue. Gold can't be sideways. Even when it was, see, let me show. Even when it was sideways for 8 months, gold isn't sideways like this, like this. Yeah, these are big moves. Well, right now, small move. See, for 101, 130, 300 pips, 1, 2, around 45, 45 minutes, 45 minutes, seeable. And people are gonna say there are no volatility. These are high volatile pairs. Right now, how are candle made from buying or selling? How much buying or selling is happening here on this Doji candle? That's why when there is low volatility, market is gonna move more. When there gonna be high volatility, market is gonna go sideways. That isn't how the candle is forming like this. Why? Because there is high selling and buying here. Just like my chat, 50 people just came and did not a single question. Don't. Hey, see here. I want your see this. When I told you it's gonna how many people? 875. 800. Oh sorry, what the fuck? How much is 2620 pips it's yeah, that's when that is target right. Well great. Mark this 10 minutes. We have our levels. What's gonna happen? Right. Just gave the trades. No, right now everyone is sleeping. So I have like a crush of my mom. We say it panjiri. Panjiri. It is a crush of different dry fruits, like 10 to 12 dry fruits. Crush. They are grinded. I'm gonna have that. That's why I must eat it too a lot. Uh, I, I was like I slept at 7. I woke up at 4. Nothing is more important than my sleep. Bitcoin is just obeying me. If I see Bitcoin is just obeying me. But are you Yep, just show your screen. I'm gonna. But how are you? Present your screen. Let me see how are you analyzing. Go to okay. This is 4 hour. That was a strong reject. That's why noted because I said it's gonna fall. I could have told you to buy it. Sorry, sell it. But it was not on a good zone. If it would be upperish and we were seeing it, I could have told you to sell it. That place. That's why seeing charts on while is so different. Sorry, Anas Abbasi bro, हिंदी बोलना क्यों जोर मार रहा है इंग्लिश पे Anas Abbasi because my friend is an Englishman so I have oh sorry मेरा दोस्त इंग्लिश है तो मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ती है. Good morning from Istanbul. Good morning, Adore Week. Welcome to the stream. Yeah. Someone was saying that why I am speaking English, why I'm, forcing myself to speak English. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, like me, I speak really fast because I am running from those words that are coming from my mouth, to be honest. I am scared if I am gonna, spell them, a little bit slower. My tongue is gonna roll up and it's gonna, have a heart attack. So let's go on. Let's see it further. Okay, let me see it from here. Okay, let me. Okay, just go to another screen. Go to your Google and type X. Just kidding. Let me present. Okay, you are going. Let me. Uh, you are just saved. Okay, let me share. Let me. Any more question, guys? Any question without targeting my English? Okay, so Mark, go to gold. Gold is, I told you, it's gonna fall a little, and it fell. I told you it's gonna fall a little, and it fell. See what it just made. Double top. It can go till here. Uh, but let's see. Let's see. We need a break of structure from the downside, na? After that, we can see. Can you please analyze XRP, please? XRP. Okay. Let's see. I haven't analyzed XRP till now, to be honest. XRP. Okay. Let's see XRP. I usually trade on these. Okay. UStec, BTC, Euro USD, Gold, GBP USD, and GBPJPY. And let's see. Yeah, it is gonna work. Man, you know what you know. That's the only reason. Okay, let's see a weekly. What is happening on a weekly time base? The market is clearly in a sideways, to be honest. The market is in sideways. Okay, this and this. Okay, market came down, took liquidity from the down. Was something here. Let's go to daily. Yep, there is liquidity lying above that and liquidity lying below that. So okay, let's go to 4 hour. XRP. I don't. This is a coin. Yep, it's just on. I think so. It is on a Bitcoin. Yep, it is on a Bitcoin blockchain. I think so. It is on a Bitcoin blockchain. Shan, walaikum assalam, Shan. Shan, I missed you that day. I want to show you something from that day. After I should analyze, XRP, then I am gonna show you from that day what we analyzed and I've told you to buy that. Okay, XRP. Okay, in 4 hour, these are the levels from here. If you see any candle closing above this, you can go for a buy. Okay? If you see any candle closing above this, you can go for a buy. Closing this SL will be right for you. But right now what I'm seeing is let's go to 1 hour. Okay. Market is proper sideways. It just created a double top. 4 hour. See? It just created a double top. Yep. Until this is broken, we can't, set it. Need a clear indication for these trades. These type of trades. The 30-minute, 15. What are we seeing right now? See these areas. Same working as the same as Bitcoin. Same Bitcoin blockchain. See, same Bitcoin blockchain. Nothing else. Nothing so fancy. Yep. I just told you it's gonna fall on from here. I Anyone who was seeing the stream from the start would have seen. The market is gonna fall from here, and market move around 500 pips. But I am not that who's gonna give you trade from here because Shan knows. Shan has joined me one time. Salam was busy with kids school. Thank you. Waiting for new entry. I made good profit in Euro session in gold. Captured some with zero. Did you took the trade I gave Shan? Let me show you that trade. So Shan, on that day we were like this, if you remember. Uh, it was like, yeah, this was our line, Shan. This was our line. I said, if you see a confirmation above this, you are going to buy, right? And it took a rejection from this level, came down, and when on the same day it broke this level and it went up. The first entry was here, and the second entry for the down was here, and the third entry from the up was here. And Euro USD on that day, our trades were like this. This was short, the second entry, the third entry. And Shan is a person who just joined me that day. Nice to hear that, Shan. Happy to hear that you made profit. I didn't see your signal, but I applied your suggestion. I took sell after the breakout. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, man. But that was the trade from that day that you were waiting. That was our line. I said if it breaks from that, you can easily take a trade, and it paid off. 0.3, you could have. Man, it is 270 to up to 333. About $633, 33 pips. 633 pips. Yeah, if anyone could hold up to that, and it was a crazy trade. Around almost. almost 1,500 pips, depending on anyone. Chicha, yeah, Bugatti moves. Virus, welcome to the stream. Exostar, welcome to the stream. How are you guys? So today's we have these trades pending. So if we see a possible entries above this, we are gonna have a good trade from this level. Okay. In gold, in Euro USD, another entry. If we see a breakout from here, a candle confirmation below this, you can short it again, and you can short it up to this too. This is our TP1 and this is our TP2. BTC, leave BTC alone. Yep. JPY, a breakout below this and you can short it. In 15 minutes you can see it clearly. A breakout below this you can short it. A breakout above that you can long it. Simple. It follows same Euro USD. You can apply both at the same time. XRP the same shit else. No worries man. Just take care of yourself and sleep well. Love you.
Cheers. Bye bye.
Cheers man. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you, Shazzy. Thank you.
Love you man. Love you.
Me too.
Bye bye. Okay guys, so now we are alone. So I need another suggestion. Is it better to trade in only one or two pairs or any pair if there is a good setup? See Shan, the thing I work on works everywhere. Thank you, man. So that work on every single pair. So I don't need to stick to any pair. The I am gonna see, like I'm gonna go to gold. I'm seeing there's gonna be a good move. I'm gonna trade in gold. If I'm gonna see a good move in Euro USD, I'm gonna trade in that. If I'm gonna see trade in JBP USD, but what is the main thing? 3 trades in a day. If you are having 3 trades in a day, after the 3 trades, if these are your profits, good. If these are your losses, good. Just be disciplined. When you are disciplined, that's the time when you become a good trader. Because keeping your assets tight is gonna make you a good trade. Sometime I can say. So uh, you can trade on anything you want. Just be disciplined that 3 trades are your goal for a day, nothing else. You made your profit, you are good to leave the day. It's not necessary that you have to sit on the chart the whole day. चीचा कौन सी ऐप पर करते ट्रेडिंग? बड़ी मैं एक्सएनएस पे करता हूँ. साहब जी टैली में कुछ अपलोड नहीं किया आपने. People haven't joined the Telegram link. So when they are gonna do, I'm gonna post it. It is necessary to fill up the gap like USD JPY just opened with 2 weeks USD JPY. Let me see. USD JPY. USD JPY. weekly, 1 or 2, 3 weeks. Where is the talking about this gap? No, the market is not gonna see when the market closes on Friday. Things are happening in world. To be honest, things are happening in world that are these are currency pairs. See, these are currency pairs. Things are gonna happen, and when the market is gonna open, it's gonna open from a place where those condition has affected the market. It could have opened above this. Could have opened below this. So market isn't gonna come to fulfill these gaps. XRP, USG, Bitcoin is gonna fall, so I think it should fall too. Godzilla trading, I don't believe in those shit, man. Then sleep. Any more questions, brother? When we get new, uh, see this, you can't join this Telegram right now. Is this Telegram link working or not? You can see this link, join Telegram link for exclusive info. I don't see any link. See, Labs is giving. Let me pin it. Now you can see it. Can you see the pinned message? Having a brother who loves you is another blessing. I just made a new link right now, so that's why I just made it that night when you and I think something named Ramos or something was asking for a link. What is XRP doing? It is gone sideways right now. The candle closing above this, we can buy it. BTC same. I just saw it and just figured out it is a blockchain of BTC. Guys, any more questions about the market? Any more questions about the market? Little bit above and take region. Let's check this rejection from this. Closure below this, we got it. After a closure of a strong candle, I will short it up to this. A closing and a confirmation, and I can short it. 4 hours. Taking a rejection, go to daily. If it closes above this level, market will go up again. Now I did thank. I don't know why, but can't join your Telegram. Now I did thank. No worries. Soon I will make a WhatsApp community. In our country, in Pakistan, Telegram is banned. I have to use a VPN to send messages in that. Soon I will make a WhatsApp community too for that. Let's see gold for a need a good breakout because on a daily level Market should reach this the order block because it just took, if we can see, it just took the liquidity from the upside. Now it's coming down for the down liquidity. That's my main target. The market should reach it, take the liquidity from the downside, and then go up. Can you teach me how to take fib? Most of the time I can't take the exact point. No, everyone has his own levels that he makes. I just, I have my own points. But from the down, from the upside, these are my golden entries for that. Reversal, that's why. When you will go, you will see a thing down here. There would be any kind of thing, FVGs or something. That's why. Do you know what is Fibonacci? My first question to you is, do you know what is Fibonacci? Shan, there anything about Fibonacci? Let's have some general knowledge question. People use it differently. I just use it for a golden entry. People use it from the high to lows from the current market and or lows to highs for know rejections of the up trade for the down trades. They use it like that. If we go to 4 hours, you can see it on 1 hour, the same place that I marked. There could be a rejection. I don't have a clear
Megatop
concept about.
subscribed to
Just
the
tell
channel.
me what do you know about that, so we can have a chat on that. Just tell me what do you know about Fibonacci. Thank you for subscribing, Megatop. Oh, it's fine. Okay, let me explain it to you. You know what? Fibonacci was an Italian mathematic. Okay, but The main thing he worked on was a work from, our Asia, from Bharat, you know, many term that user for Fibonacci, Leonardo Bonacci, he was, famous as Fibonacci because he made some, digits for every mathematical work. So those digits are used here. Back from 1985, Fibonacci was used in everything. These concepts were made after that. So these are the numbers so that are used, you know, in this work. But that was a work from our Asian that were, stealed from us. These work was from our scientists. So he used it and named it, refined it a little, and named it on it himself that he created it. So these are the golden entries for levels. Before 1985, this was the only thing. These are values. These are we have values of pi and each and everything. So these are the actual values of those things. Like if I draw in 1 hour, okay, let me show. See, that is my golden entry. Can you see it right now? If I go it from this low, that low, it just tapped it and moved away, moved upside. So my golden entry works. But people use all of this, but I don't. I just need two to mark my levels, and they're gonna work for me. Am I getting the same rejection from up here? It got rejection from here. So these are the entries point that market should move from here. Now is your concept clear, Sean? This candle should close upside this. If this candle closes below this, the market will come down. Before after grabbing liquidity and still coming down. So okay, okay, let me just turn on 0.78 and 0.72, nothing else. But I you know just use it randomly, not like every time. The main thing I resist on is what I know about the market structure. See, the thing I was telling you that day, it made, see this. No was low was broken, nor this broken, nor this broken, nor this broken, nor this broken. Not a single low broken, market went up. Okay? Not a single high broken. Nor this high was broken, nor this high was broken, nor this high was broken. Market fell. Simple as that. Shit. High wasn't broken, market fell. High broken, market went up, took a rejection, liquidity. And after rejection, we didn't see another candle closing above this. Closed one candle and this after this when it closed. No high was broken and market fell. Nothing else. This is simple. You know why it is made hard for you guys? I'm gonna be real as simple. Why it was made so tough for you guys? The simple reason is because you should not trade without your teachers. You should be paying those guys because when you could have learned everything, you wouldn't need them. So they don't want you to learn everything. Don't be dependent on everything. I don't want you to depend on fib. Just don't. Just be, you know, practice more of this break of structure. Let's go to longer time frame. Okay, let's go. This low wasn't broken. This low wasn't broken. When this low broke, sorry, this low one, market went up. Didn't broke the high. The high wasn't broken. The market took a rejection. This low isn't broken right now. The market is trying to go up. If it doesn't broke this high, the market is gonna come down and break this low, and this will be its next target. This is the simplest shit you should know. You don't need 1,000 ICTs, SMCs, each and everything. You don't need those things. You just need to know this structure of the market, nothing else. See, I am not using any setup. Like I'm not using I didn't use Fibonacci here. I didn't use ICT, SMC, EMA, Wyckoff. I didn't read anything. One trade, okay. Count my accuracy on this. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six trades in 3 days. I'm talking about 3 days. Six trades from gold, three trades from euro, nine trades, two trades, these two trades, sorry. One, two, three trades from here, 12 trades, 13 trades, 13 trades, and zero stop losses. I didn't use any of those sheets. No, I'm not selling my course here. I'm not charging any of you guys for this. Let me change my sounds. It's not like that I haven't read those setups. I have read ICT, I have read Fibonacci, I have read SMCs. I have read about EMAs, every single thing I read about. But what happened? Nothing worked like this. Those all were scams, to be honest. What is their accuracy? 5 out of 5, 4 out of 5, 3 out of 5, 6 out of 5. Show me a single setup who can give you from this stop loss that give you this profit. 21 ratio 21. Okay, let's go back. What ratio is this? 1 ratio 4.2. Okay, 1 ratio 7.5. Move it up. 1 ratio 4 out of 5. Someone who want to make money. Market too slow today. See, the market just gave this big kind of a move. See, around. It just moved 4,000 pips. It just need a little bit, sideways. Then it's gonna give a move. 4,000 pips isn't a small trade. Without any news, it moved like that. BTC just hit this move. Everything is sideways right now. Just rest for a while. See from where the market give a move out. Just remember, after a range, there is a big move. Range, big move. Range, big move. Range, big move, big move. Range, 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 big move. So guys, any more question about this market right now? Any more questions? I need questions so I don't get bored from this market right now. So Shan, you can go to any of this chart, open any 1 hour chart, mark lows and highs and lows with this Fibonacci, digits, and you are gonna see possible rejection. Even try it back in the market. Just give me a second. Trapstar. Hello Trapstar. Welcome to the stream. What should be sorry, I need some snacks. Use my song's volume. You guys can't hear my song. Okay. So your balance is 2000. What should be your lot size? You should be trading on 0.1 or 0.2 max. Not more than that. 0.1 or 0.2. See, what do I do? There was a time I was opening lots of 20, 25. What do you have to do? See, you have $2,000 of, portfolio, your funds. Okay. You can lose around $100 per trade. Okay. $100 is a stop loss of every trade. And if the thing I taught, sorry, I'm not teaching, what I'm doing, my accuracy is about 80% or 90%, to be honest. I am claiming that because I am doing it on live, but it can't be 100%. It is 80 to 90%. Even if I consider it to 50%, even in case. So every time I trade in 1 ratio to 3. Let me type it aside to you. That should be easy for you guys. Understand what I'm saying. 1 ratio 3. Okay, every time a trade. Fund of 2000. For 100 is your SL for per trade. You can trade, 20 trades. Multiply 20 trades. Your 5 trade are in loss. Okay? 5 trade are in loss. You are in a loss of 500. And 5 trade in profit. And you are, in a profit of what? Yes. Remove this 500 from this and you are still in a profit of 1500. And what I am doing, you are gonna get around 300 per trade, multiply by 8, 2400 by the loss of 300, still in profit of what? $100. Worth a risk or not? Worth a risk or not? See, was this high broken? No, the market took a rejection. That's why I say wait for confirmation. Any more questions, guys? John, any more questions? John, to be honest, my one suggestion is just learn what I'm doing. Not for me. My question was for my wife. She is listening. I am trying to teach her how to follow you. So, what was her response? Hello, Zani. Welcome to the stream. She is smiling. Okay. What that one line means? What line? Even though she should smile after hearing $2,100. What line are you talking about? Which one line? See, I'm here to answer questions. Shan, any more questions? Just ask a valid question about trading. Nothing else. I'm not here to answer about other questions. So there is a 100 line in there. Which one at million? There is 100 line. Tell me which one at what number? Talking about what thing? Which line are you talking about? Let me turn off. Now tell me what lines are you talking about? These are the lines for previous C. Every line that I made means something. That line is for this low, the 1 hour low. Okay? This line was for the breakout. If this breakouts happen, you have to buy this and it's gonna go up. This breakout, after this breakout, you can buy again and market gonna go up. This line, if there is a candle above that, you can buy it, or otherwise the market is short and it went short. These lines, these are for rejections. These are line for what would we say those resistance? Sorry, resistance. How long I've been trading for? What do you think after seeing my charts? Wrong answer, Milan. Wow, what a fail in just 1 minute. That's why they were just grabbing. They were just grabbing buyers. The people who just entered from here. They were just grabbing this liquidity. Still need a confirmation candle for a buy. For a sell. We need a confirmation candle for a sell. Not right now. This could be a trap right now. Every other chart too. Don't sell right now. This could be a trap right. Nothing else is moving the way. It could be a trap. That volume could be a trap. The fuck just happened? Fuck, man. What an unexpected move right now. It was expected, but not the way the volatility is coming. How many moves? How many pips? 93 to 54. 93 to 54. Crazy, crazy volatility right now. $300 pips in just time. Bro, it was expected. पिछले 1.5 घंटे से ये लगाया हुआ है मैंने। पिछले 1.5 घंटे से ये लगा हुआ है, इसका कुछ मीनिंग होगा ना। 300 पिप गोल्ड आते ही दे गया, ब्रेकआउट दिए और 300 पिप दे गया। इसने अभी तक ट्रेड नहीं दी, ब्रेकआउट नहीं दिया। It is here from last 1.5 hour. This PNL was here. Just ask Zani. You can ask right now. How many pips right now? No entry for us. Bro, बहुत ही aggressive entry थी ये। बहुत ही aggressive entry थी। तो दैट्स मेरे बैकग्राउंड पे लगे हुए होते हैं। मेरे बैकग्राउंड पे ना एंट्री पॉइंट्स लगे हुए होते हैं। अब इतनी अग्रेसिव 15 मिनट का देख रहे हैं। जैसे देखा मार्केट यहाँ पे थी, मार्केट डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे आई है। अब मैं यहाँ से आपको एंट्री दे दूं, अब मार्केट यहाँ से वापस ऊपर चली गई है। यहाँ से तो आपने लॉस में आ जाना था। मार्केट तो यहाँ पे थी। मार्केट ये एक ही कैंडल यहाँ तक आई है, मैं यहाँ से आपको दे दूं तो मेरे तो पेंडिंग उसमें लगे हुए होते हैं ऑर्डर्स। मेरे बैकग्राउंड में पेंडिंग पे लगे हुए होते हैं। वो हिट हो कि स्टार्ट, अब मैं आपको यहाँ से कैसे ट्रेड देता कि यहाँ से आप दोबारा सेल करो। टेल मी जस्ट अबाउट दिस। मेरा पेंडिंग में लगा हुआ था, यहाँ से मेरा पिछले 1.5 घंटे से लगा हुआ है, आपके सामने लगा हुआ है। This simple सा rule है जानम. Just one simple rule. Do your analysis, put your trades, and just relax. It's not like I just analysis and I'm gonna wait for entries. It's gonna come in a plate for me. Aggressive. GBPJPY any entry. Adore just a second. There was entry. The last time you were here, the entry was here. JBPJPY. Stuck on this FEG. Gold is just crashing. Then he reply me on Insta just a second. JPY. But both entries were here from the starting of the stream. The starting of the stream, we did analyze of the market and put these PNLs. Anyone who took these trades, what a nice move by gold. उधर reply करो. Guys, इधर half book कर लेना. Half book करके break even. Do break even and book your half here. Okay? Two trades, 2 and O. 2 and O for today. 2 and O. This is low. Do break even and book your half profits. If anyone took the trade here, guys, any questions? Any more questions, guys? Any valid question, guys? TP1 hit, guys. TP1 is hit. What you can. If this low gets broken, let this trade go up to this. Easy trade. Nice fall, man. Nice. Nice. Nice fall, man. Shan, Adore, any questions? miss the train और क्या कहूँ. Buddy, see, these trades. Okay, let's go to my own channel. Let me show you guys. When I come to this, okay, this trade is from back how much time? 2 hours. Gold trade is back 2 hours. See here. It was back 2 hours. JBP trade is from back 2 hours. It is from back 2 hours. See this time. 2 hours and 1 minute. These trades are from that time. Nice, nice move. It just gave us 94 to 5. Around 930 pips it just gave us. USD JPY fell just like JBP JPY. It fell too. And it's still falling. Tomorrow inshallah no worries. No worries buddy. These are 2 hours. I just come live, analyze the market and put my PNLs. They could go to my way or I can be wrong and I am gonna see the reason why the thing didn't happen. I'm gonna work on it. Next time I'm gonna not gonna repeat that mistake. Simple as that. But without trading, I'm not. See, this means something. I came and just put the PNL. I can't give you a trade when the trade is here because one candle, second candle, and a sudden pullback. Killer zone just activated it. Mr. Wallens, I have a question about trading. Yeah, you can ask it. You can ask it right now. So from our TP1 got hit. If we see a rejection from this, we will change the trade or this will be our this trade for GBPJPY. Nothing else. We need a rejection from this side. We don't want the closing above that. Lot of buyer has been trade. Lot of buyers has been stacked on tops. Listen, man. The simplest way of this market. See, in 1 hour, how many people just longed it? Because there was this level. Okay, They invited buyers. Uh, a day before yesterday, I just told you that for every selling, we need buying because whenever buyers are there, the market can liquidate them. Whenever the value of buyers are more than sellers, market will go for buyers. Whenever the value of sellers are more than buyers, the market is gonna go bullish because they need their money. They just captured them. That's why I had this. If the market should have closed above this, we have been gone for buying. They just invited buyers here, invited buyers here, invited buyers here, invited them here, invited here and here. When their criteria was filled, they just liquidated everyone. Wallace, I have a question. Ask. Euro USD didn't give us our trade. No worries, we're gonna have it. Nice rejection, nice rejection. Closing below this candle and we are okay. No, sorry, I'm not here to pronounce. I'm here to answer the question for people who want to learn, who want to know about things. If they are here, they are giving me their time. I should respect that and replying them. Chan, anyone other with a question? Candle closing below this candle. I need a candle below this candle. If it closes below this, our selling is secure. Otherwise, it's not. Candle should close below this, or our trade would be, just up to this. We need a closing below this, or this is end of the trade. Closing below this. I need a closing below this to continue the selling. Or otherwise, anyone who is in the trade can, book their profit here. Market should have rejected from this. Supply has been exercised. The closing. How can I grow my self-confidence? Most of the time I can't hold the trade. I close it before it might. Okay, Sean. Just a second. I will reply you after the azan. Yes, Sean. You know one thing, you're gonna grow your confidence by trading, getting into trades, and being confident. See, first of all, you should know what type of a trader are you. Are you a intraday trader or a day trader or I can say a swing trader? What type of a trader are you? There are differences also. Those are the things that can help you. That's why I get angry on these charts. But these should another candle closing below this. So this is it just took liquidity from the upside too and the downside too. Same liquidity from the upside and downside. That was over and all up. Trader. Okay, okay. So you can do these things. See, you have analyzed your market, okay? You have analyzed your market pretty well. Then trust on that. So put a trade having a tight SL and leave it. What it gonna do? Set your target point TP1, TP2, TP3. After TP1, book half of your money for being safe and break even for your SL. So if even the market goes back, you don't lose money. You are okay. Uh, being this, you will not be, afraid of that you didn't made anything and you went in loss, right? The how should I tell you? Okay, so you opened your trade from here. Okay, sorry, from here. This is your TP1. This is your TP2. This is your TP3. After TP1, you booked your, take profit, half of take profit, and your SL is on break even. Market came down and it took a rejection, went up. You are still in profit because you took your, profit and it hit your break even. From this, you're gonna get your confidence well. You can build your confidence like that. That's the most easiest way to build your confidence. By the way, I'm getting up. Just Google it. Don't worry, she's not going to disturb you guys. Just like this. See, these are my entries from Euro USD. Open a trade here. Market will come down. Take another entry from here. Take another entry from here. Because this was my weekly analysis. Okay, this was my weekly analysis. Came to daily. I saw this rejection. I opened my trade here, and this is my target. This was my target TP1, and this is TP2. What I'm gonna do? Put an take profit here, 50%, break even here. If I see if didn't see a rejection from here, I'm gonna book the other half too. What's the issue? Any more questions? Done. Any more? Guys, any more question? You can ask me about any question. By the way, so far, आपका analysis simple and जबरदस्त है. Thank you, appreciate. See, why don't I give entries after that? See, giving this move, the market, if मैंने आपको यहाँ से मूव दे दिया होता, यहाँ से एंट्री दे दी होती, अभी तक आपका वापस से हिट हो जाना था. That's why I don't give entries after this, because it's gonna hit back your SL. JPY, nice. See, entry, sorry, a candle below this, the market down again, but it is gone, a little bit stuck to this. An FVG. Guys, any more question? 10 people are watching and none of you are commenting. Don't you guys have any questions? Because I am here to just help you guys. You can ask me about anything. Don't be hesitant. Just leave a comment about what you need to know. One candle needs this one candle. Need this. Only one candle is equal to how much move? How many candles? 8 hour and 15 minutes. It just moved like this. And one candle was equal to Nahidullah. What happened to gold? Just broke its level. See, when we analyzed the market, we saw that it took a rejection from what? This low, okay? This low, it took a rejection, it took a liquidity, but what was our, initiative that the market should go up, that it should break this level. And what was this level? This high was this level that it took a rejection from this FVG. The one time it took a rejection, and the second time when it took this rejection, it fell like crazy. So that was our initiative that if the market broke this, we're gonna go for buy. If this sideways is broken from the downside, we are gonna short it. And market reacted the same way. It broke. There was a low here where the market took a rejection. That's why the market took C. It came to 403 and then moved up. 403, 402 and then moved up. Just took taken the liquidity until this is broken again. This is broken again. We can't see a long move. Chance, man. Thank you, Nahid, for opening up and asking a question. Shan, you have subscribed my channel. मैं जब भी लाइव आऊंगा तो आप देख लोगे, आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा मैं लाइव आ गया हूँ. You know, guys, I come live on my terms when I am okay for coming live. We buy or sell market going down. On what? Right now the move just happened, Nahid. Right now the move just happened. Now wait for another setup, another entry. Don't be aggressive in this market because if you are going against this market, you are going to do losses and you are not here for losses. I plan my trades. See, I planned just two trades today and the both worked really well. The both hit their TPs. But today's target was, small because gave us this move yesterday and BTC just gave us this move yesterday and this move uh, again. Then again it dropped. After this level, we're gonna see it again on a buy. There are level for trading. You can't just take another aggressive entry after this. That's not the way I trade. That's why my accuracy level is about 80 to 90% because I don't trade aggressively. I just predict the market and I wait. The market is my prey. If I get aggressive, I would be the prey for the market. So never be a prey. Always be a hunter. Lay a trap and the market will follow it. JBPJPY 2 hours back, sorry. 2 hours back, this was the PNL and this is the result. The market fell. Okay. Gold, this was the setup. This one, the market is gonna break. The market broke. The market came down. Gave us around 1,000 pips. What more do you need, guys? I gave this trade 2 hours back. 2 hours back. And just waited. And things happened. I am okay with what I am doing. That's paying off pretty well. Any more question, guys? Quick. A door was asking for a GBPJPY trade and break from this. XRP falling, BTC, same shit. Not a single. I just saw the pattern and thought it's a blockchain. Guys, like and subscribe kindly. Any more question, guys? Fast, or I will leave. Hello, guys. Any more questions, or should I leave? Okay, guys, I'm leaving then. Care of yourself. See you in evening. Take care. Bye bye.